Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
With us in studio, Natalia Knežević. She is from the Bloomberg News stocks team. She's going to walk us through, even though the indexes really aren't moving right now, there is a lot of news, especially for, this close to a holiday. So she's going to walk us through some of the single stock stories. And Natalia, all year we've been watching gold, and I guess the miners as a second derivative or maybe first derivative are reacting to that as well.
Exactly. So we see a rebound in gold and silver. As a result, we see that stocks are moving higher. One of them I'm watching is Newmont. Shares are up by 2.3% right now. So yesterday we saw a big sell-off in gold, posting the biggest drop since October 21st. Silver tumbled also by the most since September 2020 yesterday. Many traders actually pointed that sell-off was mainly driven by technical factors because we saw that gold was already in overbought territory. So maybe that was some kind of repositioning. And right now we see the traders are again piling back to precious metals, gold stocks. But I keep seeing some notes from traders saying maybe it is time to put short positions on gold stocks.
Really? Oh, I don't know. Gold higher again today.
You had to have cojones.
Yo, big time.
Brass cojones.
Exactly. I like being a momentum trader. I don't mind being late, but I'm going to be there in the momentum. How about Molina Healthcare Company in the news today?
Yeah, so we see that Molina Healthcare, this is a health insurance company. Shares are up by 2.5% today, after money manager Michael Burry highlighted the company's record of strong expense ratios and underwriting results. He also said, this is a quote, Molina is looking to make money in Medicaid in 2026 while most of its competition loses money, and it seems best positioned to emerge stronger as the cycle turns. Also, he said that Molina could become a target of an acquisition if it remains as cheap as it is right now. We know that in November, he 13F files showed that he is long the stock, so it is kind of one of his.
And he made the analogy. It's kind of like Warren Buffett when he purchased Geico, so kind of invoking that as an analogy. So there you go.
Let me ask about, SHAK. I always use the comp function to look at stocks on the Bloomberg.
Yes.
Defaults to a 5-year period, which I think is fair. SHAK, obviously delicious.
Is there 1 year here?
Yes, there is on like 55th Street, 53rd Street, 53rd Street, on the way down to Grand Central Station. I sometimes stop there and get myself a smoke shack. But the stock hasn't budged in 5 years. And this year, it's down like 40%, Natalia. What's the problem with this purveyor of delicious hamburgers and hot dogs?
Maybe they are becoming more expensive because we see that some of those fast food chains are really struggling, as some consumers, definitely not you, but they are trying to find maybe cheaper options. By the way, full disclosure, I've never ever tried Shake Shack.
Well, let's go.
You've never had a Shake Shack
I became
burger?
Vegetarian, and it's difficult for me. That's the first problem. Yes, maybe they have vegetarian options. I gotta check
they
it
better
out.
not.
I don't think so.
No.
I can't imagine.
So,
It's about beef,
Yeah.
So where do you get your protein, Natalia?
Different type lentils, quinoa, beans, nuts. It is actually complicated because I have a whole list of products with protein like numbers. Where can I?
Do you drink milk?
Yes.
So whey
I'm
isolate?
I'm not vegan. I'm vegetarian. So I can milk, cheese. It's fine.
Boy, I can't. Give me 2 more seconds on Shake Shack here.
Yeah, so the company was removed from Raymond James Analyst of favorite stocks. However, I should say that some analysts see an upside because the company could benefit from the World Cup.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.